So just being aware that we're initially oppositional is huge because we get to kind of see that our first response is never the one that benefits us. Anybody here ever go shopping? No? How many of you go shopping, you know you want to get an article of clothing, you kind of know where it is in the store, but you really don't. You walk up, you want to go get your stuff and get out of there. You walk up, the person that knows where everything is, that just wants to help you, comes right up to you and says, "Miss, can I help you find something?" And you say, "No thanks, I'm good." And then you walk away going, "What did I just do that for?" Like, I could be, and then 10 minutes later, you're just like, "I gotta find somebody else because I can't ask her because she already asked me. So is there another sales associate?" And you're doing all this stuff instead of going, "Yeah, can you show me where, I really have no idea, can you show me what you," I mean, literally, just put it out there for them. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.